Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be looking at doing some more modeling on this F-22. It's going to be just a quick video here. We're going to look at modeling the wing here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and close this out here, and we don't want to save it. So now I want to open this one here. And here we are. Okay. Now to make the wing of this, what I'm going to do is just create a sketch on this plane here. And this is just an arbitrary wing that I'm going to make on this. If you have airfoils, go ahead and use those airfoils for it. Turn these sketches off here because I don't need them. All right. And you can turn the bodies off too. Turn the canvases on, and I'm going to sketch a line from here to about here. And I turn the sketch back on so I can see that. Look at this from the top. I want to imagine this line extending up through here. So I'll move it back just a little. And same thing for the back here. I want this to come back through here, so I'm going to move this back to about there. Back to the side. And again, this is just an arbitrary airfoil. If you have one, go ahead and use it. And I'm going to mirror the line here. Click OK. Then go ahead and finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. Now, I'm going to make an offset plane, or excuse me, not offset plane, but a plane at angle from this line here. So construct plane at angle using this line. And it's fine. Click OK. Rotate to the top here. Now I want to create a sketch on this plane here. So I'm going to click the plane. Click this. And I want to project a couple of points here. And you want to project this point here. This. And that middle line. Click OK. Back to the top. Line. Snap it here. Bring this all the way down here. Click OK. And I'm going to use a spline for this. See if we can use a spline. If we can't use it, then we come back and put a regular line in here. Okay, go ahead and finish sketch. I'm going to turn off canvases so I can see what I'm doing here. And now I'm going to come up here to create, and we're going to use a sweep. And we have path and guide rails. Select this path, and this guide rail. Go ahead and click OK. Turn the bodies back on. And here's our wing. And we notice that this is not all the way out. Let's show you what I mean. Turn the canvases back on. This didn't come all the way down here. So what I'm going to have to do is go back. And edit this sweep here. What I need to do is change this to full extents. There we go. Then click OK. And there's our wing. Turn off the canvases so we can see that. Okay, and there's the wing, and what we're going to have to do is this is going to be cut back here too. So what we can do here now is create a sketch on this plane here. And I'll use a line. Finish sketch. Then I'm going to use a split body. This is the body to split. I'm going to use this line as the splitting tool. And click OK. Now this portion here, turn that off. Okay. Now create, mirror this. Now this looks a little too high here up front. And lowering it down so what I'm going to do here, this sketch here, move this down a little. And that still looks a little too high, but that's no problem. What we'll do now, come up here, right click and move copy. And I'm just going to move this down. All right, that's much better. Now create mirror. Going to mirror this. And new body. Click OK. And this is what we have so far. Okay. Now, like I said before, to make this a smooth transition from here, and so these little bumps will not be here, turn on all your splines for this, each one of these bulkheads that we did, and then you want to put a rail connecting each one of these. And then once you do that, then you want to loft between all of these at one time. Not individually like I showed you guys. You want to loft all of them at one time and then add the one guide rails, and that will just smooth that out. And that's how you do the wing. It doesn't take much of anything. And what I can do now, and just play with your airfoil until you get that to where you like it. But if you've been following so far, this is where you should be up to now. And this is just a short video on the wing. And next week when I come back to this, we'll go ahead and finish the front here, the intakes. We'll do the intakes. Only a couple more videos left on this, the intakes up here, and then the back section back here. And the horizontal stabilizers back here are done the same way as the wing. And you can see it doesn't take long to do that. So when I come back to this next week, I'll just go ahead and show you guys how to close up this front up here. And then the next week after that, then we'll just finish out the back here and finish up the horizontal stabs. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. Also invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site, both called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you can, become a paid member of my Patreon site. It's only $5 a month, and you have access to all the files over there that you see me draw here. And so yeah, anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.